Hey, what's going on, guys? We're down here, Motorworks in O'Fallon, Missouri. I'm getting some work done to the Maverick. They're going to be putting on that thermal R&D exhaust. Pretty excited about it. Seems like this place you go for your Ford EcoBoost needs. I mean, they got a Maverick another Maverick right there, and you can tell like it's got the different intercooler, got some stuff done to it. This cat I was just talking to, he's got a Focus RS. And they're doing some kind of inspection on it. So like I said, it's pretty that's Panda Motorworks in O'Fallon, Missouri. Come check them out. And right now my truck's getting worked on, so I should have done a before and after video of my exhaust, but I didn't get I guess I was just lazy and it was too cold. So oh look at that, we got some more EcoBoost around here. And no, it seems like they know what they're doing and stuff. They got like a lot of these, just all fast and furious, all these rally cars and stuff. So I guess I'll update you whenever my truck's done, and we'll take it from there. All right, well, I just got my exhaust put on, that thermal R&D exhaust on my 2.0 Maverick. I can tell you right now, the tone, I got the air off, I got all the windows closed. The tone's great, you can hear it, but right now I'm going, you know, 40, 45, just cruising around, and there's no drone. So I don't know what kind of witchcraft thermal R&D does, but I had American Racing, or I had Flowmaster American Thunders on my F-150, and that made me sick on the interstate driving. But this, I mean, like, that's just going up to the speed limit, and that's what I wanted. It has a growl, but it's not obnoxious and stuff. So I am completely happy with this exhaust. I'll show you some when I'm merging onto the interstate what it sounds like in the cabin. I'm going to do some sound clips on the outside of it. I should have got some before and after, but you know, if you already got a Maverick, you already know what it sounds like. So I mean, like I said, Panda Motorworks in O'Fallon, Missouri, they really hooked me up, did a great job. My boy Jason down there and stuff. And yeah, it's so I'm gonna give you some sound clips of what it sounds like driving on the inside and on the outside. So here you go.